Current level, €1.0828 per USD surged on Thursday, reaching its highest levels since early February, only to retreat towards the 1.0800 level following mixed European and US Purchasing Managers Index (PMI) data. Despite attempts by bullish traders, the currency pair struggled to surpass the key resistance level of 1.0852 in the previous session. Presently, it appears that bearish momentum is building, with sellers aiming to drive the exchange rate lower. A breach below the 1.0801 support level could pave the way for a test of the next support at 1.0735, potentially signaling a bearish reversal. There are no major economic reports scheduled for today.